Hi, to record screen on Samsung Galaxy S25, just swipe down from upper right corner to trigger quick settings, and then swipe this line down as well. So here we need to find screen recorder feature, which looks like that. If you cannot see it, then tap pen icon, choose to edit this tab, and add it from available buttons list just by tapping the button. And now, let's just take a look at its settings. For that, I'm gonna press and hold it. And now, scroll a bit down and we can customize screen recordings. In record sound, you can choose to record with microphone and media, or disable any sounds by tapping none. Also, you can change video quality here. This one to simply free up some storage space. You can change selfie video size by dragging the dot left or right. You can also enable to show tabs and touches, and it would be presented like a small white dot on the places you are tapping, which could be really useful if you're making a tutorial, for example. Now you can choose folder in which you want to keep your screen recordings. And here, just get to know about Samsung Capture. Now, to actually start recording, we need to go back in Quick Settings and tap the icon once. Then choose whether you want to record with sound or not and tap Start Recording. And then after 3 seconds countdown, the recording would be started. You can see this floating button now with the time of recording, and also you can drag it anywhere across the screen. You can tap on pen and draw something on your screen. You can also tap here and enable selfie icon. You can pause the recording and you can stop it and save to gallery. So let's open gallery. And now we can either find it in recents right here, or we can switch to albums and find it in screen recordings album. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.